2021 continues to insist on 2020 holding its beer. Azealia Banks fans woke up to an unpleasant surprise on Tuesday as they watched her appear to dig up her dead cat and boil it. The rapper posted, and deleted, a gruesome set of videos in which she and another unseen person seem to exhume the remains of her pet Lucifer, who died last year. In one of the clips, which are absolutely too grim to post here, she is on her hands and knees, clawing at the earth with her bare hands, while humming a tune, before pulling up a sack ostensibly containing the cat's remains. Getty Images. The internet is losing it over the sea of verses. Azealia Banks' bloody chicken Battleview story. A lot of you guys don't know, Lucifer the cat died 3 months ago, and we had to put him in the ground, and we're digging him up for the very first time, she explains to the unfortunate audience. She's coming back to life. See *********. The cat, she says as she pulls it free, is in the bag. And it only got more horrific from there. The 29-year then posted a video of herself appearing to boil the animal's corpse in a large pot, a skull seen floating around as she stirred the thick black concoction with a stick. Lucifer 2009-2020. My dear kitty. Thank you for everything. A legend. An icon. Forever a serval serve, she captioned the video. Getty. Cardi B claps back hard at Azealia Banks for, untalented rat, insult, then deletes Instagram view story. The 212 hitmaker then posted a picture of a skeleton with the caption, she's ready, before deleting that too. 2Fab has contacted Banks seeking comment. No stranger to controversy, Banks has previously hinted at practicing witchcraft. In December of 2016, she posted another series of videos on Instagram as she cleaned her closet of what she claimed was dried blood and feathers from sacrificed chickens, where she had practiced 3 years' worth of brujeria. Sia was among those criticizing her at the time, tweeting, "Sacrificing animals for your gain is the wackest ****** I've ever heard. Get ahead by being awesome, kind and working hard." Banks clapped back with, "Your ugly pasty dry white lady winter skin face is the ugliest face I've ever seen, that must be why you hide it all the time. Have some respect for my traditional African religion."